What's going on? I know I wasn't speeding, so what'd you pull me over for?
Oh, we'll get to that. Do you have your license, registration, and insurance?
Tell me what you pulled me over for. I was recording the entire time. See, it's been recording for 5 minutes. You see that? So.
Okay. I'm stopping you because you have license plate lights that are out.
Can I get out and look?
After I get your license, registration, and insurance.
Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. Today's video comes from Direct D. Be sure to head over to his channel and let him know that I sent you. D was out in the early morning when he noticed two marked units on a traffic stop with a Jeep. When he pulled up to film the stop, the Jeep was released. Regardless, D started recording as he left the scene. Note that the smaller white text was inserted by Direct D.
So I just rolled up to a traffic stop and I was gonna record them, but they seem to be taking off and doing their job. So they're probably gonna wait until I pull out. I'm gonna flip the camera around and keep recording.
D pulls away while continuing his recording. As he leaves, several marked units begin following him.
There they are. Oh, they're hiding back there. One just pulled out. There's two to my left, two behind me. Oh, they're following me deep right now. Woo. They're gonna do a pretextual stop to find out why I'm following them around right now, I guarantee it.
In the Supreme Court case of Wren v. US, the court held that the detention of a motorist is reasonable where probable cause exists to believe that a traffic violation has occurred. And due to an overwhelming amount of traffic laws, most drivers violate a multitude of these laws every time they operate a motor vehicle. This has given officers a blank check to pull anyone over that they wish, knowing that if they follow any driver long enough, they can almost certainly find a pretext for stopping the vehicle and conducting an informal roadside investigation that has nothing to do with the original reason for the stop. At this point in the video, officers have been following Direct D for over 3 minutes.
Fucking pulling me over. I told you they were gonna pull me over. I'm gonna pull in somewhere that's, well, this ain't brightly lit, but this'll work. So, we just got pulled over. What's going on? I know I wasn't speeding, so what'd you pull me over for?
Oh, we'll get to that. Do you have your license, registration, and insurance?
Tell me what you pulled me over for.
Do you have your license, registration, and insurance, sir?
Listen, you have to have reasonable articulable suspicion to even pull me over.
Yeah, that's correct, and I'm asking for your identification.
Okay, so tell me why did you pull me over? You can't, your suspicion for following you guys around trying to film traffic stop is not reasonable suspicion to get my ID. I don't have to identify right now. I wasn't speeding, wasn't doing anything wrong. This car's registered, I have a license, it's insured. You can see all of that. Is your body cam on?
It is, yes.
What's your name and badge number?
Officer Brown.
I was recording the entire time. See, it's been recording for 5 minutes. You see that? So I was documenting everything.
So I'm stopping you because you have license plate lights that are out and your license plate is flapping. So when we're behind you, we can't read it. So now that I've provided you with the reason for the stop, could I have your license?
Can I get out and look?
After I get your license, registration, and insurance, sir.
Well, this is a brand new car and...
Yeah, I can tell with the...
Okay, so the license plate's not out. So let me go and look.
The lights are out.
Let me go and look.
No, at this point, I'm not going to have... I want your identification, your registration, and your
I'll give it to you as soon as I get out and look.
No, there's no ultimatums here.
Why not?
Okay, go ahead and step out of the vehicle.
That's fine.
I'm going to detain him.
You're not going to put me in handcuffs. This isn't a felony or a misdemeanor stop.
Okay.
Just FYI, I know my rights.
Okay.
Cherry v. Ohio. Hold on.
All right, awesome. Just face the vehicle for me.
You're not going to detain me. Stop. What are you doing?
I'm detaining you in handcuffs.
Don't.
Just failing to identify.
Am I being illegally arrested? Am I being legally arrested? This isn't failing to identify. You got to be legally arrested to fail to identify. That's a secondary crime.
San Paul, 1 detained.
I do not give you permission to search me. Nothing. Let me look.
We're gonna go to the...
Let me look. You already got me in cuffs. Let me look. I don't see any...
Yeah, there isn't a light.
Don't touch my phone. Put my phone right here.
Take a seat.
Put my phone
Take
right
a
here.
seat.
I don't need to sit.
Take a seat.
What are you doing?
I'm sitting you down.
You guys are in trouble right now. Oh, you guys are. I don't need to cross my
Cross your feet.
Listen, I'm already in handcuffs. This isn't a felony or misdemeanor stop. You guys need to check yourselves right now. You're going on YouTube already. It is awesome. You're going to get millions of views. I'm going to keep doing this after this traffic stop's over.
No, we saw you on our traffic stop.
I know.
earlier.
I was trying to film you. This is
And
retaliation right now.
Actually, no, I was actually
This is
gonna pull you over
retaliation,
because you
dude.
don't have a license plate light too, but she got it before me. So therefore, we have a legal reason to stop you, which once we ask for your identification, you have to identify yourself. I appreciate that, but there was no need for how you were acting.
Hey man, there's no need to follow me 3 cops deep, 4 cops deep, 3 cops
He
deep.
wasn't even
pull
on
me
this. He
over.
just drove by.
Yeah.
You know I ain't got nothing. I'm doing the speed limit. You're just paranoid that I'm following you around, and I'm putting this on YouTube because you shouldn't have pulled me over. This is retaliation because I followed you over there. You have no reason to even be behind me. Yeah, my license plate. That's a pretextual stop to find out.
That's
what
the only
fuck's
reason why
going
we
on.
stopped you.
All right,
Dude, I'm not
let
an
me
idiot,
explain
whatever.
this, Christopher. I was driving through downtown. I came from.
I know where you
Cooper.
guys were at. I was
No,
following
listen to me. I came from Cooper Road.
you. Yeah. Is all your body cams on?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Listen, real quick. I came from Cooper to Warner, and then I went northbound, and then I stopped in that turn lane. You were behind me
I don't
the
need a
entire
description
time.
of what you're doing. That's cool.
Okay, no, that's fine. I just
Okay.
want you to know that I saw your license plate out. I pulled out in front of this officer here, who had been on a previous stop like you were.
My phone's still on?
All right, I'm gonna take him out of handcuffs. You're free to go.
Yeah, I know I'm
not
free to
gonna.
go. I haven't done anything. I'm just waiting for you to take them off. I'm not a f***ing idiot. Just remember this car, remember my face and my name, because I'm going to be around here filming you guys. Pull me over. You just ran my you know me. Figure it out. Go Gilbert. I'll post your shit all over the place.
All right, my dude. Have
No,
a
my
good
dude. I'm not your dude. Name and badge numbers now.
night. Round 6235.
Done, lady. 6191.
Dendy 6044.
This is the Gilbert PD,
Have a good
YouTube.
night, okay?
This is for me following
Get
them
your
around
license
trying to
plate
film
light and you won't
traffic.
get pulled over.
Yeah, but that's a pretextual stop. Whatever, dude. You know
It's a
exactly
lawful
what I'm
stop.
talking about. We all do.
Have a good night, Christopher.
Yeah,
I
have a
can't
good
leave
night.
until you
Bye. Bye.
I can't leave until you leave. My
I mean,
friend.
if I'm free to stay, I'm free. If I'm free to go, I'm free to stay, right?
Yeah, that's fine. I
Okay,
don't care.
peace out.
All right, have a good night. my
See you later.
friend. Bye.
It's called the walk of shame right here. I'm gonna leave after you. Thank you for making YouTube for me. I didn't even have to find you. Geniuses. Geniuses. 2700 2552 and 2035. You guys. You, and you.
The officers claimed that the license plate in a brand new vehicle is not working, but wouldn't allow D to conduct a personal inspection to validate the stop. Luckily, the officers confirmed that their body cams were on. The footage has not been obtained yet, as the incident is still recent. However, when the recordings are made available, I will post an update, because if they show that the light was in fact working, Direct D could sue for a civil rights violation. After detaining D and identifying him, they left without issuing a ticket or even a warning, which suggests to many that the purpose of the stop was only to identify D, and the alleged light malfunction was just an excuse to do so. The final portion of the video shows that D did in fact have an operating license plate lamp.
I don't know if you can see that, YouTube, but I got a f***ing light. They totally lied. Ha! Wow.
Let me know what you think in the comment section. Was this stop pretextual just to identify Direct D, or did the actions of the officers serve to protect the government's interest in a free and safe society? Don't forget to head over to Direct D's channel and let him know that I sent you. If you have an interaction you'd like me to review, link it in the comments, email it, or submit it through Facebook Messenger. All links are down below. That concludes our video for today. Please subscribe and turn on all notifications so you never miss a video. If you're old here, like, share, comment down below what you think of this interaction, and consider a channel membership or merch to further support the channel. If you have an incident you'd like us to review, link it down below or contact us through the social media platforms linked in the description.